Welcome everybody. You know good way that we are studying central nervous system. And central nervous system that includes brain and spinal cord. And till the previous classes, I have studied about the good way about brain. But today we will study about the spinal cord, external feature of spinal cord. Okay, that what is the position of spinal cord? What is the weight of spinal cord? What is the meninges of spinal cord? Which space that is present in spinal cord? This means today we will take the external feature about the spinal cord. Okay, so for that spinal cord, that is also called myelin. Okay, spinal cord that is also called myelin. Okay, second, that is the external feature. Length of spinal cord that is 45 centimeter in adult male. In adult male, length of spinal cord that is 45 centimeter. But in adult female, length of spinal cord is only 42 centimeter. Okay, what is the location? What is the location of spinal cord? This means which place spinal cord present. The spinal cord that is present in vertebral column, in vertebral canal, in vertebral column. Okay, location of spinal cord that is in vertebral canal, in vertebral column. Okay, this means inside vertebral column that is present in vertebral canal. Okay, what is the weight? What is the weight of spinal cord? What is the weight of myelin? That is average weight of myelin. This means spinal cord is 35 grams. Okay, and this spinal cord, this myelin, is protected by ventral column. Okay, ventral column, and in the vertebral column, in vertebral canal, spinal cord present. This means protection of spinal cord by ventral column. What is the ventral column? Okay, you can see by this way, you can understand by this figure. Okay, this is the external feature. Now we are studying about the external feature of the spinal cord, myelin. Here you are seeing that this is the spinal cord. Okay, and spinal cord is covered by three meninges. Three meninges. Spinal cord is covered by three meninges. Outer dura mater. Outer dura. Dura means hard, thick. Okay. Outer dura. Middle arachnoid. And inner, that is in contact of spinal cord, in contact of brain, that is pia mater. Okay, that is pia. Three meninges is present in spinal cord. This means spinal cord is covered by three meninges, that is outer dura, middle arachnoid, and inner pia. Okay, and two space is also present, that is subarachnoid space and subdural space. Okay, subarachnoid and subdural space. This outer layer is called the vertebral column. Okay, this is protection by spinal cord protected by vertebral column. So this is the vertebral column. Okay, and this layer which you are saying, this is called the conus medullaris, and conus medullaris is the tapered end of his spinal cord in front of lumbar 1 vertebra. Lumbar 1 vertebra. Okay. Upper this part is called cervical part. This is the thoracic part, and this is the lumbar part. Lumbar 1, lumbar 2, lumbar 3, lumbar 4, lumbar 5, and this sacral part and below is the coccygeal part. Okay, and this layer is called this extension of pia mater. Inside, in contact of spinal cord, pia mater is present, and this is the extension of pia mater. This is called the filum terminal. Filum terminal. Okay, and you know that two space is present in spinal cord. That is, this is the subdural space, and this means near the pia mater subachinoid space is present. Two space is present in spinal cord, that is subarachnoid space, subdural space and subarachnoid space, and three meninges that is cover the spinal cord, that is outer dura, middle arachnoid, and inner in contact of a spinal cord, that is pia. Okay, this all is the external features of his spinal cord. In the next classes we will study about the internal feature of spinal cord, myelin. Okay.